Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a Windows server for free. Without any further review, let's get started. First, open your browser, type Alibaba Cloud free trial and hit enter. Now click here, then this website will open. Click on free trial. Select individual account because we are using it for personal use. Enter your email address and create a new password for this account. Hold and drag this to your right. It is to confirm that you're not a robot. Now you have to enter your phone number. Remember, don't use any fake and temporary email address or phone number because it is required to verify them. You can check this so you can get emails from Alibaba Cloud. Again, select individual account. As you can see, your account is being created. Now you have to enter your details like your name and address. Now it's time to verify our email address. And now we're at our last point. You can enter your card details, or you can link your PayPal account. I'll go with the first option. You can add your debit or credit card. Both works very well. It may hold $1 for card verification. This charge is completely refundable. Once your card is verified, it will be refunded. Don't worry guys, of course I'm entering random numbers to show you. These details aren't real. Once you're done entering your details, then you can simply click on Submit. It will take some seconds to verify, and it's done. Your account is created. Click here, and this web page will open. Scroll down. Then select this option here. Your Windows server is being created. Scroll down to Public Image and select Windows Server. You can choose any option you want. I will select Windows Server 2012. Now click Next. As you can see, its price is already $0, so it's free. Now you may create a password for your Windows server. Its username is always administrator. Click Next and create order. Now click on Purchase. Congratulations, your Windows server is now created. Now go to Cloud Console. Click on Elastic Compute Service. Now click on Connect and download as RDP. Open RDP file we just downloaded. It may take up to 5 minutes to create your server. Watch this video till end, because we will overcome an error which comes every time. Let's reconnect to our server and check if it's working now. Enter your password we created earlier for this server. If you find this video helpful, then like and comment. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can get notifications of our new interesting videos. Congratulations, your server is ready to use. Let's download Microsoft Edge for browsing. If you are also getting this error and want to know how to solve it, then click here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Until next time, goodbye.